In this video, we will show you how to update your existing Reveal installation to a newer version. In this case, we are going to start with the Reveal version 1.3, which is installed on this computer. And we're going to install the newer version 1.4 following this simple process. Please do not uninstall the existing Reveal software. By uninstalling, all configuration files will be lost. Start by launching the installation program. Accept the End User License Agreement, and if presented with this screen, please do not change any options. These options already agree with your instrument setup, therefore do not change. If you change any options here, you risk having packages that are missing or loading packages that do not belong, potentially causing your interferometer to stop working properly. So again, do not change any options, just click Next, and again click Next on this screen to continue with the installation. When the installation process concludes, you can immediately view the release notes or launch the Reveal program. In this case, we have accepted both choices, and here are the release notes for improvements for this and previous versions of Reveal. Closing the release notes, you can see the newer version of Reveal is starting now. Clicking on the Help menu and opening About, you can see the new version number of Reveal just installed. Also note that starting with Reveal version 1.4.0.175, you can automatically check for updates from the Help menu. In this case, because we are running the latest version, the message indicates there are no new versions available. If a new version was available, you would launch a web browser, which will automatically allow you to download the latest version and to be installed by following the same process.